Hello friend, welcome back. I am really glad that you are here. In this video, I want to discuss about after end of this course, what type of advanced project you will build from the scratch. So friend, we will create one complete learning management system, one of the total project with using that Next.js, and we will design everything with using the Tailwind CSS and that Shadcn. And here as you see is very clean and very good looking one of the website. Please give me some time to explain you what type of advanced things you will cover in particular that course. And most interactive, we will develop everything from the scratch. Like here as you see is very clean one of the design, and also it's very much responsive. Our total application is very responsive. Here as you see is very good looking, right? So they have the no doubt you can actually that is very much responsive. And now here first of all there is a locking button. They have some of the register button. So from here two things will be happen. A student can able to register it, and also instructor will be able to register it. And after that register you can able to log in. So first of all here that is one of the our Heroku section. From here export that our courses becoming the instructor one of the page. They have some of the design here I have created, and each and every data is in here. It is totally dynamic. That is all that our category related, that category, our course related category is visible, and that is our all that course is visible. Okay, and here they have some of the support team that is very interactive one of the design. As I told you, I will design everything with using the Tailwind CSS and also the advanced Shadcn. And here you can see that is actually our course, and into this course area is display our course images. Into the course images that is our category, course name, how many chapter they have, that means how many module they have for particular this course, that should be display, and that is the price. From here you can enroll this course, rather than if you go to that our course details page, and into the details page here you can see it's also very professional and very well decorated one of the page. And each and everything is in here is also totally dynamic. Like first of all that is one of the course name. There is a course name, course, some of the short description is visible. From here you can enroll this course. From here you can just check that our prices, there is a course images, that feature images is visible, and which category is course is that will be display our course category name, that will be display our course name. They have some of the description, if they have any description that should be displayed, that all the description. And that is also the three part. One is the overview, another is the curriculum, and also another is the our instructor, which instructor actually created this course, this instructor name, how many courses they have for particular this instructor, that should be displayed, how many students already enrolled for particular that instructor courses, that will be displayed, how many review they have, average rating, each and everything is calculated, and everything I will create it with using that Next.js. Okay, and if you go to that our curriculum is also very interactive one of things. Like for this course how many curriculum, like that is one of the module, and this module related they have some of the lesson, there is another module and module related lesson, there is also another module, and there is also lesson. And also it will be calculated how many hours they have. This data is also dynamic, and also here you can see how many chapter is there. Like right now they have the 3 chapter, and into this 3 chapter that is also dynamic data, total hour, how many hours they have for particular this, that will be also calculated from to the instructor dashboard. Instructor will be at these courses. I will also show you that things with you. Also I will cover the quiz system, how you can actually create the quizzes, student can able to add that quizzes, lot of functionality actually I have covered in particular that course. And also there is a testimonial, student can able to complete the testimonial part. So there is a testimonial here, that is the money back guarantee, and the related course for a specific this category. They have already one of the course category as a personal development, and personal development related other courses is also that should be displayed in here. Okay, and here if you go to that our another course details, so that is our another course details page. From here if you go to that our home page, and that is one of the single page application. Each and everything will be executed without loading any page, which is very interactive on the part. Here we will develop everything with using that latest Next.js 15. And that is our category. If you want to get that our category related data, you can get it. So first of all, I want to discuss about that our logging. So here right now there is a logging page, and here you can logging as Instructor as a register. So that will be our register Instructor. So here when you put it, that will be create one of the Instructor account. And also here if you want to register it by the student, you can actually register it by the student. So what exactly the difference between both of these? So first of all, here into this area, I want to logging, that is one of the student account. Okay, I put one of the email address and password, and here I am now logging as a student. And that is successfully displayed as a logging successful. That is our all courses list page. Okay, here that is our all courses page. If you go to that our home page, and from here if you go to that our category page, and this category related page that should be displayed, you can see that is successfully visible our category. Which category is that? Development category. They have the two courses is visible here. If you go to the details page, so that is details page. Right now you are already logged in. You can able to access that our profile, how many courses this student already purchased. You can also able to display it. But right now there is our Instructor here. As I told you, if you go to that Instructor, you can also able to see that Instructor details page. Like this course is created by this Instructor, and Instructor they have another multiple courses that is successfully visible. And also there is another Instructor, like here if you go, like this course actually created with our another Instructor, and this Instructor name as a Kazi Instructor. And if you go to the profile, and this Instructor they have the multiple courses, all that our courses is visible. Okay, and also that is all the data is totally dynamic. Like right now this is student, that means this Instructor don't have any review, don't have any student. That is the reason is display as a null rating. But here if you go to that our previous one, that means that is the Instructor, and this Instructor area here if you go to that Instructor profile page, and you can see this Instructor they have the 3 courses, 5+ students, 6 reviews, average reviews is 4.7. Okay, that is all the totally dynamic data. Like right now I'm already logging in here as a student, and now here if you go to that our profile, here I have also discussed about that things with you, how can protect all that your route. Without logging you cannot able to access that our logging page. Okay, here you can see is displayed that our Khan student, that is a student name. Right now the role as a student role. And also better into the Indigo, I want to logging with our another user. So like here that is one of the email and password. So that is one of the Instructor I have already created. So that is the Instructor I want to do. By this Instructor I want to logged in. If you now logged in here, right now I'm successfully logged in. And that is the difference. Here when you logged in as an Instructor, you will be able to get this type of one of the another menu as an Instructor dashboard. But here if you log in as a student don't have any dashboard. So that is actually a student dashboard. And from here if you want to update that student name, you can actually update it. Like here I want to make it as a Khan1. Okay, Khan1. Without refreshing that page, everything will be happen. Now if you click on the save changes, you can see there is user details updated successful, and without refresh that is successfully updated. And there is a first name, the last name. Okay, here if you now change that occupation, everything you can actually manage it. There is a description, you can also able to manage it. So also there is a contact info, change password. I have also discussed about that things with you. If you want to change that password, here I have already added multiple validation. So here you have to put your appropriate old password, then you have to put the new password, and after that when you click it as a save password, then automatically the system will be updated your password. I have already discussed about that things with you. And also most important part as the enroll courses. Here if you go to that our enroll courses, this student already purchased multiple courses, and this student purchases some of the courses, and there are the 2 courses. And here is important part as a module, like for this course how many module there have, how many module you have actually completed, that will be also displayed. Is totally dynamic. How many quizzes there have, how many quizzes you have taken, and how many mark you have actually get it from to the your quizzes. Everything I will show you with the live example. And also most important, that is our process bar. So here if you have that multiple one, like I want to show you, this progress bar is also very dynamic. If you go to that code our details page, like that is actually a student when after that enrollment you can able to access it. And this student already completed everything. All that they have some of the lesson, so everything is already completed. So that is the reason it's now display that things like that way. And there is the quizzes option. So from here you can actually attend some of the quizzes, and also from here you can add that review. So that is a rating review. When you submit it, this review will be display a specific this course related review will be display, and when that will be as 100%, then you can able to download the certificate also. Okay, I will show you. First of all, better I want to show that things. I want to create another new course, then everything will be more clear to you. Okay, I will create another new course. I will enroll with this student. Okay, student name as a Kazi at the 69@gmail.com. Now I want to go back to our dashboard as an Instructor dashboard, and into the Instructor dashboard here, if you go, right now you can see right now I'm already logging one of the Instructor, and this Instructor right now have the courses as a total courses as a 3. Total enrollment is also totally dynamic. How many enrollment is completed for specific this Instructor courses, that will be displaying here. Total revenue also, that is totally dynamic. And here from to this position, Instructor can able to create some of the courses. So all that our courses that should be displaying here. From here you can actually create the courses. You can, if you want to edit this course, you can also able to edit this course. And you can see that is a very advanced level everything I have actually shared. But I want to create another new course. Okay, here there is a new course. You can also able to create the quizzes from here. They have the multiple quizzes. So if you want to create some of the quizzes, you can actually create these quizzes. I will also do these things later. But now first of all I want to create another new course. For education purpose, I have already write down some of the things, like I want to create this type of one of the course. Okay, I copy it, and now that will be our course title. And then I want to use some of the course description. I copy it, that is a course description. I simply paste it. How I manage our total Instructor dashboard, I hope you will like it very much, and that is very much advanced level. Everything I have actually covered, and everything we will use it throughout that Next.js. Like I put one of the course title and the course description, and here after that if you click as a continue, and you can see the course created successful without refreshing any page. And then that is our custom your courses. So from here, if you want to change that or your course title, you can actually change it. Now I make it as a 1:1, click as a save without refreshing that page. That is successfully updated. If you want to add some of the subtitle for this course, you can also able to do it. Like here I want to edit it, I want to paste it, some of the subtitle, like this will be our subtitle. Okay, here I want to use this type of the subtitle, click as a save, and that will be our subtitle is successfully updated. And course description I have already added it. If you want to from here, if you want to update or delete edit it, you can able to edit it. And then I want to upload some of the images for this course. Here if you click as edit, and now if you click as a new upload, and from here I want to upload one of the images, like I want to use select this one, and you can see it successfully displays a file 3 PNG uploaded successful. And when that will be uploaded, that will be also display in here. How much interactive, okay, how can handle the images, I will also discuss about that things with you. And they have some of the category, like right now from here, whatever the category you will selected, that will be actually selected in here. Like I want to select it as a design category for this course. Now click as a save, and you can see that is successfully updated as a our category I have selected as a design. Okay, and that is our set quizzes for a specific this course. If you want to add some of the quizzes, you can also able to add the quizzes. So this quiz actually you have to create it from here. So better I will do that things later. Right now I want to select for education purpose as this one. Now click as a save changes. Now that is already existed one of the quizzes. These quizzes will be executed. And then I want to add the price. Like for this course I want to make it as a 59. Or I'm just make it as a 19. Okay, I just make it as a $19. Now click as a save. That will be updated the price as a $19 for this course. Then and also our that is actually this course is unpublished. here that will be displayed this type of one of the things. When you publish it, then that will be also gone. But before adding that our courses here, I simply updated that our course related data, but I didn't add that module. So here now you can able to add that module related, you can able to add that lectures. I show you, like first of all I want to add some of the module, and everything will be happen without loading any page. Like I want to for education purpose, that will be actually our first module. I copy it and I just simply save it. Now click as a create, and you can see module is created, and by default that is as a draft because I didn't publish this module. So for education purpose, I want to add another module. Better I copy it, and now here I want to add another module, and I just name it as a section 2, create it. There is a 2 of this module is successfully created. And now I want to add some of the lecture for our first module. Like here, if you select it, you click as a here, edit, and now you can see a specific, that is a module is visible. If you want to change that module name from here, you can also able to change it. And now a specific this module related, I want to add some of the lesson. So here, let's do that work. Like first module, I want to use this type of one of the lesson. Okay, better I want to use it as a 1, and that will be as a 2. Okay, so then that will be easy for you. So I will just simply copy it. Now a specific this module section 1 module related, I want to add some of the lesson. And now if you click as a create, and you can see lesson 1 is successfully created. And if you now want to add another one, you can also able to add it. Like I want to add another one as a lesson 2. So that will be the lesson 2. Right now for this one, they have the 2 lesson. Okay. And if you now want to add that lesson related all that information, you can now able to add it. Then you have to go to that edit, and here everything is in here. From here you can change that our lesson title. If you want to update that our description, you can also able to update our lesson description. For education purpose, I want to use it. Okay, I want to use this type of one of the description. I make it as a course description. Now click the save. Now a specific this or related our chapter, that means lesson related description will be saved. And then you can also make it as a that will be preview is for the free or the private. From here, where you can also check it is when you uncheck it, can click as a save it, then that will be displayed. This chapter is not free. That means that will be not accessible for all. And from here, if you when you select it as a select, click as a save. Now that chapter is for free preview. Okay, and then there is a video URL. From to this position, you can add some of the video URL. Like here, for education purpose, I want to use some of the embedded. Whatever the embedded video, if you want to use it, you can actually use it. For now, education purpose, I want to use it as a YouTube video. From here, you can also set the length. How many length is that video, this duration? You can actually set these video descriptions from here. Now click as a save, and you are ready to go. The lesson updated successfully. And now from here, if you go back, so that is actually our step-by-step process. That is our, first of all, I have created the module, and module related I have created 2 of this lesson, and this first lesson related one of the video, and you can see video is now successfully visible. And now also I want to update the same things for our second one. I click as a edit, and here already this is not free. I want to make it as a check mark. Click as a save it. I make it as a free, and here I want to update the another video. Better I copy it, and now I want to update it. That will be video. I want to put some of the duration. Now click as a save. That is successfully updated. And from here you can now publish it. Like here I publish it, and now if you go back, okay, now if you go back from here, I want to go back to that our module again, like first module, and you can see I have already updated this module as a published. And that is another one also I want to make it as a published. So now both of these is now successfully, that should be as a published. Sorry, here I want to make it as a published. Great. Okay, now if you go back from here, you can also now update that our module, because into the module related I have already updated 2 of this lesson, or both of this lesson is the published lesson, and now we can able to update this our module as a published, and you can see that the module has been updated. Now if you go back, and this module I have already make it as a published. Okay, so that is our first one. And second one area I want to add another lesson. Like for education purpose, I want to use one of the lesson. I copy it, and here I want to add another chapter. Click as a create, module is created. I click as a edit, and here I want to use some of the description. I want to make it as a free preview. That is fine. Edit. I want to use it here. Another video. I copy it. Like right now, I add it, and that will be our duration. I click as a save. That is successfully updated. Now I want to publish it. Now go back here. That should be also now done. Here is publishes. Now that is the module I also want to do. I want to publish. So that is simple error. Don't worry about it. But here everything is successfully done. And now if you go back here, you can see our course related to of this module is now published, and also this module related they have the two lesson is now published. If you want to now edit it, you can also able to edit it. Everything will be happen without loading that page. Everything I will complete it with using that Next.js. How much interactive you can see. And now I have already updated everything, and here if you now go to that our courses page, and then you will also find out it, and this the course I have just recently created, and I put the price as a $19, and I have already make it as unpublished. And now if you go to that our home page, and here if you go to that our page, and if you refresh this page, now that should be not display this course. It because of all I didn't publish this course. So when Instructor will be published, like here I want to publish it. Now I want to go back to that our edit, and also here another information I have discussed about that things with you, like for particular this course, how many enrollment they have. If you want to go there, if you want to check that total statistics, you can see it will be also display how many students actually enroll for particular these courses, how many students get the mark, how many that is a process, how many processes he actually completed. So this user already completed as 100%. That is the reason is displayed as 100%. And enroll date is also dynamic. Okay, like because if you want to match it again, like that is the one of the student, and this student already purchases one of the course as a Kazi 69, and you can see this course I have already make it as 100% completed, and that is the reasons is now display this data. So this data is successfully visible as 100% completed. And if you go back, and also if you want to display how many review there have, if you go to that our view report as a review, and you can see that is will be also successfully visible how many students put the rating, which type of rating review he actually put it. Every information you can actually get it. And not only that, you can also able to search it here by the name, or what are the name actually you choose. By this name you can also able to search it. Okay, so that is everything is totally dynamic. And then I want to go back again, and right now that is our unpublished. Here I want to go to that our edit, and from here now I want to publish this course. That is our the check mark that is totally gone right now. That means alert is totally gone right now, and this course now that should be as a published. And now if you go into this enrollment, they have the no enrollment for this course. If you go to that our review, they have the no review. Right. So now I want to enroll one of the student for this course. Here if you now go, right now I'm already logging as a Kazi 69, and now if you go to that our home page, okay, right now we don't need it. I want to go to that home page. Here I want to refresh. As I told you, it's very interactive one of the course, and also very organized one of the course I have built for you, and everything we will create from to the scratch, and everything I will design and complete with the Next.js. Okay, so right now that is our new course. You can see in this course they have the two chapter is visible. So now if you go to that our course details page, and from to the course details page, all that our information, everything is visible. Okay, name, and you can see description, and our curriculum. They have the two sections related how many hours they have total, our course hour, two chapter, everything is dynamic. Okay, and right now they have the note testimonial for this course. That is the reasons is displayed that things like that way. And related course for design related course they have on, that means only one, and that is the reasons is display as a only one. Okay, great. So now I want to I have that is also in Instructor right now there is a 4 courses, how many review, everything is visible. So now I am already logging one of the user, and this is one of the student. right? You can see the role as a student role. And here, if you now, this student before already purchased 2 of these courses, now I want to add another one. So here, if you want to now go, and this student actually purchased this course in multiple places, from here he can able to access it, or rather than if you want to access it from enroll it from here, you can also able to enroll it from here. And now if you go to that our details page, like from here I want to enroll it, now click as the enroll now. And here also I have discussed about how can send that mail. Okay, our student will be receive one of the mail, and also our instructor will be receive one of the mail. Our student email address as a kazi69@gmail.com, and instructor related, if you go instructor email here, right now I'm already logging as instructor. Here if you go to our instructor profile, and into the instructor profile you can see the role as instructor, and that is our instructor email. Both of these areas system will be saying the message I show you. Like here now I want to go to that our complete the purchase portion. That means here that will be written directly to our checkout is type page. Like here I am logging with our email, like that is actually our email. Here I want to use that as an email, and I use some of the demo test card, and right now we are using as a test mode. Here I want to use it as a 242424, that means 4242. Okay, and then month I make it as a 226. CSV I want to use it 123, and then I put the name as a Kazi, and country, whatever the country you can select it. And now that is our $19 for this course. Right now, if you go to that our pay, let's check this out. Another magic will be happened here. If you go now, that should be returned direct to our page. Everything will be happen. Everything fine. You can see great. So it will be also display you congratulations Khan student, because right now I'm already locking one of the student name as a Khan student, and display as a congratulations Khan student, your enrollment was successful for the course name. Also that will be displayed the course name. So now from here you can able to access this course. You can rather than go to that or browse this course, everything you can now able to manage it. And most important, you have already enrolled this course, right? Here now, if you go to that our page, and also I want to check it, system should be send the email to particular this student email. I want to simply open it and email, and you can see there is a support email. System will be saying this type of one of the email as a hey Khan student, you have successfully enrolled this course, and which course is that, course name will be also display. And same as instructor will be also get the mail. I want to also logged in with the instructor as LE, and you can see instructor also will be get the mail. How much interactive. You can see now that is displayed as a congratulations Kazi Aryan, because right now our instructor name as a Kazi Aryan, and that is successfully visible the mail as a hi congratulations Kazi Aryan, a new student Khan student. Which student actually enrolled it, that will be also display the name, and which course is enrolled, that is also successfully visible. The system will be also send the mail to both of these user, student and also instructor, both of these user will be get it. Okay, right now I have already congratulations get the enroll this course. Right now if you go to that our profile, that means student profile, and if you refresh it, now you can see that should be new course is added, and this course is successfully added. Game is not over, friend. Also they have the more multiple advanced thing I have covered for particular this course. Like right now you already enroll it, right? You enroll these courses, and here if you actually check out it, our progress bar as a 0% completed. And they have also 2 module. They have the no quizzes, I didn't take it, and also they have the no any mark. Now I want to access this course video. Now if you click it in here, now that should be returned direct to our lesson page. And also here I have already enrolled this course. Right now if you go to that our home page, that means if you go to that our browse courses, and from to the browse courses, if you go to that our course details page, and in here you can see it's not display as a enroll course. Now it's display as a access course, because you already enrolled this course. And here if you click it, that should be also returned direct to your lesson page. Okay, Great. I hope you get the point how much interactive it is. And now let's start it to check that our video. They have also another magic. I hope you will like it very much. Right now that is the 0% completed. Right. And also display our which course I have enrolled. This course is visible. And here there is a download certificate, and you can see that is totally disabled. Right now you cannot able to download this certificate when that is the progress bar. Okay, that is the course progress bar. When that will be as 100%, only then this download application, that certificate will be available. And now let's check this out. I show you, then everything will be more clear. And that is also very interactive things, like here when you actually access this our first lesson, automatically our first tab, that is our first tab, right? First tab will be always remaining as open. Okay, here how to do this work, I will also discuss about that things with you. Like here I want to select our first one, that is our first lesson as a honor details page design part 1, and here another magic will be happened. I started that video. Okay, I started that video, so this video is started, and now if just simply think, just look at that is the menu, that is on the button right now, that is on of the video, and also our color is become as a gray. Right now I want to turn to complete it. Like here I want to complete. After that complete, you can see automatically this become updated, and that is become as a check mark, and it's become now as a green. That means you already completed this lesson. Now I want to check another one, and I just simply select it, I play it, and here I want to do and end it. When that will be handed, then our total module will be completed. When module will be completed, our progress bar will be automatically updated. Okay, that will be automatically updated. I show you, like right now, and that is very close to end. Let's check this out. Two things will be happened. Just the like as a magic. Yes, you can see that is successfully done. Video is done, and that is become as a check mark, and also our progress bar is automatically updated as a 50%. And still now you cannot able to download it. It because of all I didn't complete the 100%. Now there is also another lesson, and that means another module. Into the module area there is another lesson. I simply open it, and now lesson is visible. This lesson related description is visible. Now I need to play it, and here when that will be end, now that should be as 100%, and that should be also change it as a green mark because I have already completed this video. Okay, now let's check this out. Everything will be happen, multiple things will be happen, executed. Yes, you can see now that is 100%, it's become green, and now our download certificate is also available. So right now this student name here, as I told you, right now I'm already logging with one of the student, and this student name as a Khan student. Now if you want to download the certificate, now I need to click as a download certificate. Certificate has been downloaded. Now that should be downloaded one of the certificate. If you now open it, and now I want to open it. Okay, here you can see that is this type of one of the formatted dynamic certificate will be loaded. Okay, that is not a static certificate, that is a logo, name, which student actually complete this course, student name will be automatically added, and then also whom that is our this concern the name as a Khan student, that is a student name. When you completed, which course is completed, you can see that is also totally dynamic data, and also in our which date you have completed, our last date when actually you completed this our total courses, our last date that will be also executed in here. And this course is created by the Khan, that means instructor signature, instructor name, instructor, that is also and the description, that means the designation, everything is totally dynamic. Okay, so here actually we will generate this type of one of the PDF. Okay, how to deal with the PDF in Next.js, you will also learn it. Next let's talk about that our quizzes. Okay, so for the quizzes, if you now go to our back again, I want to better go to that our my courses, and into the my courses now if you go, and here you can see right now they have the 3 module, and that means this one, they have this course as a 2 module. I am already successfully completed the 2 module, and now this progress bar is also updated as a 100%, and now that is our quizzes. So let's talk about the quizzes. Like here, if you go to that our quiz, our admin instructor dashboard, now from here you can also able to create some of the quizzes. So right now they have some of the quizzes. I want to create another new quiz. I click on the new quiz. Like for education purpose, I want to name it as a about our Next.js course. This type of one of the quiz set I simply created. Now click as a create. Quiz set created successfully. And you can see there is a quiz is visible. They have the no quizzes, and from here you can change that our quiz title. Here you can actually add the new quizzes, and they have the multiple option, which is very interactive. I show you, like for education purpose, I want to add one of the quizzes, like that will be our quizzes question. Okay, simply copy it. You can also add that multiple quizzes in our one quiz set. Right now I want to add one, like here I want to add the quiz name. I put some of the description for education purpose. That is our quiz description, and that is actually our 4 of this option. Like here I want to use it one of the option as a pending. Okay, that is one of the questions as a pending. Another question answer as a B, that means B will be as a draft. I want to use it as a inactive, or that will be as active. And here our correct answer is that as a D, as a active. That means what specified status are the news articles filtered by into the query. I want to that is actually correct answer will be as active. So here I want to make it as active, and this which one actually correct answer, here you have to assign it. Now I just simply assign it in here as a D is our correct answer. Now if you click as a save, and you can see without loading that page, the quiz added successful, and now that is our quiz is successfully added, and that is the question, and you can already define it which one is the correct answer. Okay, and you can, as I told you, you can, if you want to add that multiple quizzes in one quiz set, you can actually create it. Now our next job is we need to publish it. I want to simply publish it. Now that is a quiz set has been updated. So particular that quiz set right now they have only one quiz. Now I want to go back to that our course. I want to go to this course, like that is actually our course, and now from here I want to go to that edit. Okay, here I want to go to that our course edit, and into this course edit now I want to change that our quiz set, and here that is a quiz set I have created about Next.js course. That is the quiz set I simply selected. Now click as a save. Now this quiz set is successfully updated. And now if you go to that our student view, like that is actually our course, but I want to refresh it, and like that is the course. I want to go here. I want to go to that our course lesson page. Into the course lesson page area. Right now for our every courses, that means every our quizzes they have the 5 mark, and also I have only set one, right? I have only set one quizzes for particular about the Next.js course, and you can see there is a total quizzes as a 1, and that is the publish. If you want to add the multiple one, you can add it, but right now I want to take that our quizzes, like here I want to get that, go here, and you can see that is the quiz I have created, and that is the things I have simply added for particular this course. So if that have a multiple one, you can actually go to that next question or the previous questions. Like right now that is one of the questions, and our correct answer is active. Like I make it as active. Now click as a submit. That is a thanks for your submitting the quizzes. That means if you actually put the appropriate correct answer, now if you want to display how many mark you have received, you can now check it. If you go back here, and now you can see that is a one quiz set or quiz you already take it as a one time, and here that is our correct answer you have added. That is the reasons you get that as a 5 mark. Okay, how much interactive, you can see, friend. I hope you like it very much here, how to deal with it, everything I will show you with the live example. And also if you want to put some of the review rating, like for this course here, if you go, I want to go particular our course into the courses area. Right now that is actually our course. In this course area I want to add one of the quizzes. Okay, that means and the review I make it as a 5-star, and I just name it as this is really great course, GREAT, right? Great course. Now this type of one of the review. Now click as a submit. the review added successful. And now if you go to that our course, I want to go to that our course details page. Now for particular this course, one of the student as a Khan student give it as a 5 review, that is a 5 is visible, and this is really great course. Okay, everything as a dynamic. Okay, I hope you friend get the point. Lot of that is actually all that are overview, but they have the deeply I have discussed about a lot of multiple features. I hope if you actually completed this course successfully, that you will become master in Next.js. So that is our short overview of this project. So this type of one of the advanced project, you will build it from the scratch, and everything as I told you is very dynamic, and everything is also very much responsive. Okay, here our admin dashboard, and every dashboard is also responsive. Here you can see. Great. So here right now you can see our review is also updated. How many student enrollment they have also successfully updated. Course is updated. So this type of one of the project you will be able to actually create. Okay, here for this course, now if you go to the enrollment, here you can see for this course I have already enrollment one of the student, and this student already get that as a 5 mark, and this student already completed the 100% as a Khan student. Okay, so that is actually our new course, and also they have already one of the review I have already put it. Now if you open it, that is a Khan student 5 review, and this is really great data. Okay, that means great course. Everything is will be happen without loading that page, and everything is very dynamic. So friend, after end of this course, you will be able to get this complete this type of one of the advanced course which will be help you to take you to the another level. So if you are, I hope this is something you are interested in. If you are, then go ahead and enroll this course. So let's start to build this type of one of the awesome project. I'm really excited to see you in this course. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.